I just a man trying to kill I.
Me got your ass this time, boy.
No, I got him. No, me got it.
Music too damn positive. Come back here, I go and broke you. I go and broke you, Bob. Oh. Do that thing, man, again.
Well, some parts are peaceful.
What parts, Bob?
Mostly the parts I'm not in.
What you guys doing here? According to my Bob Marley assassination schedule, it's the Jamaican Labour Party's turn to try and kill him. No, it's not. My schedule says the People's National Party turn. Look here, man. Fool. That's last year's schedule, man. You're right. Told you. And who is you?
I'm with the CIA, asshole. I gotta go back and get my arm.
Who are you, man? I don't see you on the schedule.
Aren't you afraid of people trying to kill you?
Me a rebel man who don't have no help, nor take no bribe and fight single-handed with the music in me heart for the people though.
Fight with music, you need a damn gun, bulletproof vest, something. Well, I guess if you're not afraid to die, I shouldn't be afraid of love. You sure know how to sweep a bottom bitch off her bottom. Bayaka, bayaka.
You sure, B? I love you so much, B. Me'll take you if you meet me family.
Children here. It reminds me of my orphanage. I'm gonna fit right in. But who's this home? It is a pleasure to meet Bob's dear sweet mother.
Oh, no. Rita is my empress. It's me wife.
Wife? Wife like married wife?
Rita, my newest baby this, honey bee.
Oh, so you are the woman Bob is cheating on the woman he's cheating on me with.
Oh, no.
Cindy, say I to honey bee. My name is Cindy Breakspear, former Miss World and Bob's #1 woman after Rita.
I ain't an English major, but wouldn't that make you number 2?
Oh, you're wrong, child. That would mean there is someone before me after Rita. And there is no one before me after Rita except me.
Okay, beauty queen who can't count. Bob! Daddy! I can't. I think I need some antibiotics.
You don't know why you're upset. Me tell you I was checking you if you meet me family.
You didn't tell me you were married with kids. How many girlfriends do you have, huh, Mr. Giant Split?
Well, the Bible says, be fruitful and multiply. And it's easier to multiply if you have more than one woman to be fruitful with.
Oh, it's like you slept with the whole damn island.
No, baby, I'm not an animal like that. Only the female have.
Ooh, I better not caught nothing.
Look, baby love, let's have this conversation later. I'm gonna be late for the One Love Peace concert.
Okay, next time, I'm going to the peaceful half of Jamaica.
Does this mean you're not stay?
I do want to stay, Bob, but I don't know if I can do all that #1 to the 2 and 2 to the 1 or the 4 to 5, however y'all do all that. And what the is up with all these assassination attempts?
Assassination attempts always pick up before a big concert.
And even the horses are like friends. I love the horse with long hair, short hair, we like
the white bitch.
Everywhere hard.
So, if it isn't the darker light-skinned Trump Bob's been sleeping with...
Hey, Becky, or whatever your name is, why are you trying to kill Bob?
I've had my eye on you ever since you come to Jamaica. Bob was mine, and all the other women in Jamaica. But now, it's all about you. You're the only one it seems to want. And it gave him a nickname, Baby.
You crazy bitch! Everyone calls everyone baby. I ought to slap the out of you.
You think that's my only machete? You like dark, bitch!
Look, I don't care how many machetes you can... Wait, what you call me?
Wait, come on.
Why your hair never come off, Eve?
Machete! Fake ass Jamaican bitch. I'm almost done packing so we can go back to Hope Road.
We had a talk with Cindy. She still wants to kill you, but every little thing's gonna be alright.
Good. Now come over here and give me that tough gong.
Okay, but me want you meet someone first. Tis, easy vet, who me just met on my way up here. She's my new number one, to me number one.
What? Okay, now this is some bull. So let me guess. I'm supposed to be your number two? I done got shot at, jumped off a mountain. Oh, you got me up.
No, you never be number two. It just means you're just not number one.
I know you're a good person that truly does not understand how this kind of will make a bitch kill you. But I can't do this, Bob. Yeah, I'm going home.
I get it. Me understand. Respect.
Respect? That's it? What happened to get up, stand up, don't give up the fight? Where's the fight for me, Bob? You know what? Y'all get the out of here before I kill you. Huh? Number 3, 4, 5, 6.